So, first question, which nation has ended its relation with WHO? That is US. US ने WHO से अपने रिलेशन तोड़ दिए क्योंकि कुछ US को ऐसा लग रहा था कि WHO चाइना की तरफ अपना झुकाव कर रहा है और US की बात नहीं मान रहा है, इसलिए US ने अपने जो रिलेशन है WHO से तोड़ दिए हैं. Who has been nominated by the BCCI for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? That is रोहित शर्मा के साथ 3 लोगों को और राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड मिला है. दैट इज मरियप्पा, विनेश फोगाट फिर रेसलिंग में, फिर रानी रामपाल हॉकी में. Who has been nominated by the BCCI for Arjun Awards? शिखर धवन. Which music composer Wajid Khan of Sajid Wajid Music do made their Bollywood debut in which of Salman Khan's movie film? डर किया तो डरना क्या. ये के फ़ोन के नाम से फेमस होगा. Which space agency recently launched astronaut to the ISS on a commercially made spacecraft after 9 years? That is NASA. वो SpaceX के नाम से स्पेसशिप है जो कि भेजेगा. Which of the following countries has seen widespread protest over the death of African American George Floyd in police custody? That is US. The central government has approved how much package for MSME? That is 20,000 crore. MSME की डिफिनेशन अभी गवर्नमेंट ने चेंज कर दिया है, जो कि 1 जून 2020 को किया था. जिस कंपनी का इन्वेस्टमेंट 50 करोड़ है और टर्नओवर 250 करोड़ है, उसको MSME यूनिट में आएगा. गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया है मुद्रा शिशु लोन. दिस स्कीम हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन अंडर आत्मनिर्भर भारत पैकेज, और इसका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होगा 2%. जैसे MSME टाइप की जो भी इनिशिएटिव हैं, जिससे छोटे मोटे जो धंधे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उनको बेनिफिट मिलेगा इस चीज़ से. DRDO ने डेवलप किया अल्ट्रा स्वच्छ टू डिसइंफेक्ट द PP किट्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम्स एंड फैब्रिक्स, और ये ओजोन पे काम करेगा. और अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन आता है कि DRDO ने किसके मदद से ये डेवलप किया है अल्ट्रा स्वच्छ, तो उसमें Delhi based laboratory of DRDO Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Science along with industries partner Gelcraft Healthcare Private Limited, ये 2 कंपनी फर्म्स के साथ DRDO ने अल्ट्रा स्वच्छ बनाया है. इंडिया's रेटिंग डाउनग्रेडेड टू BA3 बाई मोदीज क्रेडिट एजेंसी. डाउनग्रेडिंग रेटिंग ऑफ इंडिया's टू BA3 from BA2 due to COVID-19 crisis that has adversely impacted Indian economy. इसकी वजह से BA3 से BA2 इसकी रेटिंग हो गई है. PM Swanidhi scheme has been launched by central government to improve the livelihood condition of street vendors. PM Swanidhi जो स्कीम है, जो स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स की कंडीशन ठीक करने के लिए, या जो COVID-19 की वजह से अपने जो काम धंधे छोड़ के चले आए थे अपने घर में, जो छोटा मोटा बिजनेस कर रहे थे बाहर में, उनको फिर से ज़िंदगी पटरी पर लाने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री स्वनिधि स्कीम लॉन्च की गई है. दिस स्कीम इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी बेनिफिट ऑफ 50 lakhs वेंडर्स. इंडिया टू बी सून री इलेक्टेड एज UNSC नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर. इंडिया UNSC की नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर बन चुकी है फ्रॉम द एशिया पैसिफिक सीट. हम लोग देख लेते हैं UNSC में कितने मेंबर्स होते हैं. UNSC में 15 मेंबर्स होते हैं, 10 नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर्स होते हैं और 5 परमानेंट मेंबर्स होते हैं. 5 परमानेंट मेंबर्स है, दैट इज चाइना, फ्रांस, रसिया, यूनाइटेड किंगडम एंड यूनाइटेड स्टेट. एंड नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर्स हैं बेल्जियम, फिर इस्टोनिया, जर्मनी, इंडोनेशिया, नाइजर, सेंट विंसेंट. इंडिया विल बी इलेक्टेड फॉर द 8 times as a non-permanent member. India has been also a founding member of UNSC. WHO ने सी टैब लॉन्च किया है। सी टैब क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि सी टैब किसने किया लॉन्च किया है। WHO ने सी टैब लॉन्च किया है। सी टैब क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि सी टैब किसने किया लॉन्च किया है, तो WHO। और दिस इनिशिएटिव वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय कोस्टा रिकन प्रेसिडेंट कार्लोस अल्वार्डो। फिर वीरेंद्र नाथ दत्त हैज टेकन ओवर एज द चेयरमैन एंड MD ऑफ NFL, जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोगों की डेथ हो गई थी और कुछ लोग हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गए थे। तो जिसको ध्यान में रखते हुए NGT ने जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोगों की डेथ हो गई थी और कुछ लोग हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गए थे। तो जिसको ध्यान में रखते हुए NGT ने LG पॉलीमर, जो साउथ कोरियन कंपनी है, उस पर 50 करोड़ का फाइन इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, स्लैप किया है, जिसको जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे। द NGT हैज डायरेक्टेड दैट रिस्टोरेशन प्लान कैन जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे द NGT हैज डायरेक्टेड दैट रिस्टोरेशन प्लान कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाई कमिटी कंप्राइजिंग ऑफ 2 representative each of the committee, that is Environment Ministry, CPCB and 3 representative of Andhra Pradesh government। NGT का हेडक्वार्टर न्यू दिल्ली में है और ये 2010 में फॉर्म हुई थी। द फॉर्मर स्पोक्स पर्सन ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्ट्री रवीश कुमार है, जो हमारे NDTV के न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर हैं वो नहीं, ये IFS ऑफिसर हैं, जो कि पहले एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्ट्री में स्पोक्स पर्सन थे और अब ये फिनलैंड के एम्बेसडर बन चुके हैं। विच नेशन इज द स्मॉलेस्ट एवर नेशन टू सिक्योर ए UNSC सीट, दैट इज सेंट विंसेंट एंड ग्रेनेडिन्स। विच ईयर डिड G8 बिकम G7 अगेन, दैट इज 2014। Legendary filmmaker Basu Chatterjee passed away on June 4, 2020. He had won a national award for which film? That is Durga. The United States has issued an order seeking suspension of flights from which nation? That is China. जब COVID-19 स्टार्ट हुआ था तो अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और चाइना के बीच में टेंशन हुई थी, जिसकी वजह से US ने जो भी चाइना से अप एंड डाउन फ्लाइट्स थी सबको सस्पेंड कर दिया था। विच इंडियन पोर्ट ट्रस्ट हैज़ बिन रीनेम्ड एज श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी पोर्ट ट्रस्ट, दैट इज कोलकाता पोर्ट ट्रस्ट। व्हेन वाज वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट डे 2020 ऑब्जर्व, दैट इज June 5। यस, क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है कि पर्यावरण दिवस कब मनाया जाता है, तो 5 जून को। What was the theme of the World Environment Day 2020? That is biodiversity. Who launched the national awareness campaign on prevention of human-animal mortality on highway on June 5th? That is Nitin Gadkari. The Union Cabinet has approved a MOU on cooperation in environment protection between India and which nation? That is Bhutan. Which nation will host a global vaccine summit? That is UK. Which 2 countries are involved in the implementation of Khola hydroelectric power project? That is Pakistan and China. When is the International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression observed? That is 4th June. Which city will host the 51st annual summit of the World Economic Forum? That is Davos. Which Union Ministry has launched the information booklet Safe Online Learning in the Time of COVID-19? That is HRD Ministry. आप सभी को पता होगा कि COVID-19 की वजह से सारे स्कूल कॉलेजेस बंद थे, तो ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन नहीं हो पाता था, इसलिए सेफ ऑनलाइन पहले HRD मिनिस्ट्री ने की थी। Who launched the I Commit initiative on World Environment Day? That is R.K. Singh. Fit India will be launched special film to promote how many indigenous sports of India? That is 10. Mubadala Investment Company has acquired how much stake in Reliance Jio platform, that is 1.85%. How many Rajya Sabha seats will be up for election on June 19th, that is 18 seats. Several lawmakers from around the world have formed an inter-parliamentary alliance to counter which nation? That is China. When will solar eclipse 2020 will take place? On June 21st. India has pledged how much amount for the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization, that is $15 million. Which place has been declared as Uttarakhand's new summer capital? That is Bharasin. Which nation has declared itself COVID virus free? That is New Zealand. Which state topped India's state food safety index among larger state? That is Gujarat. Which union territory topped India's food safety index? That is Chandigarh. Sorry. Which state has made Bande Utkal Janani its state song? That is Odisha. India signed an agreement recently with which nation to boost cooperation in the power sector? That is Denmark. Who has indigenously developed APRIT, that is Airborne Rescue Pod? That is Indian Air Force. Which among the following international organization has completed 75 years? That is United Nations. North Korea has cut its hotline with which nation? That is South Korea. हॉटलाइन क्या होती है? जैसे एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री के टॉप ऑफिशियल्स के बीच में बात करनी है तो वो हॉटलाइन यूज करते हैं. US President Donald Trump has ordered the withdrawal of over a quarter of troops from which nation? That is Germany. Which two nations have decided to sign an agreement on maritime boundaries? किन दो राज्यों ने जो समुद्री सीमा है उसको एक MOU साइन किया हुआ है? That is Greece and Italy. Which among the following state has announced extension in lockdown restriction till June 30? That is West Bengal. Which state has launched an online waste exchange platform? That is Andhra Pradesh. India and Denmark signed a MOU to develop strong cooperation in which sector? That is power sector. A massive fire erupted in oil field located in which state? That is Assam. Which Indian weightlifter has been cleared of doping charges by International Weightlifting Federation? That is Sanjita Chanu. Which among the following awards has been cancelled for 2020 due to COVID-19? That is Raman Magsaysay Award. The phase 2 of Sauni Yojana is targeted to be completed before August 15. In which among the following? In which state? That is Gujarat. The Supreme Court has given state or union territories how many days to transport stranded migrants back to their native place? That is 15 days. According to the World Bank, the global economy will shrink by how much in 2020? That is 5.2%. Who launched COVID Beep, India's first wireless psychological parameters monitoring system for COVID-19 patients? That is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Which planet's moon is drifting away faster than expected, that is Saturn. Which planet's moon is drifting away faster than expected, that is Saturn. 500 साल पुरानी एक भगवान विष्णु की मूर्ति थी जो कि महानदी रिवर है जो उड़ीसा में, उसमें समर्ज हो गई थी और वो 15 साल के बाद दिखाई दी है। वो क्यों उसमें डूब गई थी? क्योंकि जो महानदी में बाढ़ आई थी 1993 में, तो अपना जो कोर्स इसका नदी ने अपना रास्ता चेंज कर लिया था। इसकी वजह से जो मूर्ति है वो भगवान विष्णु की डूब गई थी। 1933 में बाढ़ आई थी। पेप्सिको को फाउंडेशन अनाउंस्ड दैट इट विल इन्वेस्ट $3 million to provide safe water access to agricultural communities and help women in high water risk areas in West Bengal and Maharashtra in association with WaterAid। जो पेप्सिको है उसने ये कहा है कि वो $300 मिलियन का इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगी महाराष्ट्र और वेस्ट बंगाल में। द इन्वेंट्री एंड बैंक्रप्सी बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया IBIB हैज रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड इट्स एडवाइजरी पैनल ऑन कॉर्पोरेट इंसॉल्वेंसी resolution and liquidation. The advisory panel is headed by Kotak Mahindra Bank CEO, that is Uday Kotak. Bank of Baroda, India's third largest lender, has decided to completely digitize its lending operation including agriculture, home, MSME, auto and personal loan. That बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा जो है वो फुल्ली डिजिटलाइज्ड हो रहा है। जो भी अलग अलग जो लोन्स लेंड करते हैं, जैसे कि एग्रीकल्चर लोन, होम लोन, MSME लोन, ऑटो लोन, पर्सनल लोन, ये सब अब डिजिटलाइज हो चुके हैं। इंडियन रनर गोमती मरिमुथु हैज़ बीन बैंड फ्रॉम द स्पोर्ट्स फॉर हाउ मैनी ईयर्स फॉर डोपिंग? 4 years। NADA, that is National Anti-Doping Agency, has issued a notice to Indian cricketers Cheteshwar Pujara, Ravindra Jadeja and KL Rahul for not disclosing their whereabouts. The NADA has issued a similar notice to women cricketers, that is notice to women cricketers Dipti Sharma and Smriti Mandhana. These 5 cricketers are members of NRTP, that is National Registered Testing Pool, and they need to disclose their whereabouts on quarterly basis. Victory Day parade is held in Russia and marked the day when Nazi Germany surrendered in 1945. विक्ट्री डे परेड में हमारे आर्मी, नेवी और एयरफोर्स के भी 75 लोग गए हुए थे परेड में शामिल होने के लिए। कैथी ल्यूडर्स हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू एसोसिएट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्सप्लॉयटेशन एंड ऑपरेशंस मिशन डायरेक्टरेट। With this, she became the first female to head the National Space Flight Program of NASA. क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि who has become the first female to head the Human Space Flight Program of NASA? That is Kathy Lunders. India has been ranked at which position on the annual World Competitiveness Index? That is 43rd. Which nation has ranked first on the World Competitiveness Index? That is Singapore. The European Union's antitrust authority has opened cases against which tech giants, that is Apple. When will the 93rd Oscar be held? In April 2021. 93rd ऑस्कर 2021 में हेल्ड होगा. Which nation Supreme Court borrowed workplace discrimination against LGBT community in a historic judgment? That is US. Which nation joined the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence on June 15, 2020 as a founding member? That is India. Who launched India's first gas tradition platform, Indian Gas Exchange? That is Dharmendra Pradhan. India has ranked at which position among the world's top FDI recipients in 2019 as per the UN? 9th. Pradhan Narendra Modi interacted with how many states chief minister on June 17? That is 15. Which state has signed MOU worth 16,000 crore with 12 international films? That is Maharashtra. Which state government has approved an ordinance on deferment of payment to employees and pensioners? That is Telangana. The AIIB approved how much loan to India on June 17, 2020? That is 750 million. A petition has been filed in which court seeking directions to the center to follow 27% reservation procedures for OBC categories students in medical colleges. Delhi High Court. Who will host and produce 2020 Emmy Awards? That is Jimmy Kimmel. Which country has set up a tribunal to probe a mega construction project undertaken with Chinese support in its current state? That is Myanmar. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने गरीब कल्याण रोजगार अभियान लॉन्च किया है जो कि 125 दिन चलेगा and will work on a mission mode. Under the campaign, the government will implementing 25 type of work to provide employment opportunities to migrant worker. 125 दिन का रोजगार रहेगा, 25 टाइप के वर्क उसमें रहेंगे, जैसे छोटे मोटे जो लोग दिहाड़ी मजदूर टाइप का जो काम करते हैं उनको 25 तरह के काम प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. PM Narendra Modi has launched an auction of 41 coal mines through video conferencing under the ambition Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The auction has been launched for sale of coal, which in turn will make India self-reliant in energy sector. All India Football Federation, that is AIFF, has recommended the name of the former professional footballer IM Vijayan for India's fourth highest civilian award, that is Padam Shri, and is an awardee of Arjun Award also. How much fund has been allocated for Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan? That is 50,000 crore. India has placed at which position among the world's top FDI recipients in 2019? That is 9th position. India won its non-permanent membership at the United Nations Security Council with how many votes? That is 184 votes. India has ranked at which position on the annual World Competitiveness Index, that is 43rd index. India's largest COVID makeshift hospital is being planned in which Indian state or UT, that is Delhi. The Indian Air Force has pushed a proposal before the center to acquire 33 new fighters jet from which country? Yeah, which nation? That is Russia. Which multinational company has become a net debit free company? That is Reliance Industries. A newly elected president of the 75 United Nations General Assembly, Volkan Bozkir, belongs to which nation? That is Turkey. Which nation has decided to amend its Citizenship Act? That is Nepal. Which state's pollution control board has issued closure nation to Oil India Limited operation in Bagshan oil field, that is Assam. Which state will launch Play Little Study Little scheme for school students, that is Tripura. Which court allowed the Puri Rath Yatra to be conducted with certain restrictions, that is Supreme Court. ये पुरी का जो रथ यात्रा है ये कोविड-19 के दौरान स्टार्ट होने वाला था, बट इसमें बहुत भीड़ इकट्ठा हो जाती, इसकी वजह से सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इसमें इंटरवीन किया और बोला कि कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस और कुछ कम लोग ही इस यात्रा में शामिल होंगे. Which nations radio station have started giving weather bulletins to territories claimed by India? That is Nepal. When will Niti Aayog launch Decarbonizing Transport in India project? That is June 24. Which state has entered the Forbes list of world's top 10 richest people? Which Indian has entered the Forbes list of world's top 10 richest people? That is Mukesh Ambani. How much fund have been allocated under PM Cares Fund for 50,000 made in India ventilators? That is 2,000 crores. Which state's high court issued a notice to Twitter's center state government over communal tweet? That is Telangana. Which nation will be holding a limited Hajj pilgrim in 2020? That is Saudi Arabia. Which company has claimed to have launched an Ayurvedic medicine to treat COVID-19? That is Patanjali. Which nation blocked Pakistan's attempt to declare Indian citizen as a global terrorist? US. Who participated in Russia India China ministers meeting on June 23rd, 2020? That is S. Jaishankar. Which nation has temporarily suspended issuance of H-1B visa and other work visa? That is US. The Supreme Court allowed the world famous Jagannath Rath Yatra to take place in which city? That is Puri. Which international body has asked Myanmar to ensure safe return of Rohingyas? That is UNHRC. UNHRC. The world's first yoga university outside India has been opened in which country? That is US. Which state has filed a petition against Baba Ramdev for conducting coronial clinical trial without seeking permission? That is Rajasthan. World Karate Federation has provisionally de-organized, de-recognized which nation Karate Association? India. India has pledged how much amount to UNRWA for next 2 years? 10 million US dollar. Which state government has planned to launch India Indra's Rasoi Yojana? That is Rajasthan. The central the center has allocated how much amount for the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund? That is 15,000 crore. Which country recently launched to join UN Arms Trade Treaty? Which country recently decided to join UN Arms Trade Treaty? That is China. United Nations has honored to United Nations has honored which state's health minister by sending invitation for UN panel discussion on World Public Service Day? That is Kerala. The state government has declared Kushinagar Airport is an international airport. The airport is located in which state? That is Uttar Pradesh. Which nation planned to set up a permanent military base in the Indian Ocean? That is Iran. West Bengal has extended its lockdown till when? July 31st. Who will launch Atmanirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan? That is Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. Who launched the e-blood service mobile app? That is Dr. Harshvardhan. The cabinet approved extension in the term of Rohini Commission till June till when? Till January 2021. According to the US, which nation remains safe hab for terror groups? That is Pakistan. Which Indian state has announced Gothan Nyay Yojana to procure cow? Which Indian state has announced Godhan Nyay Yojana to procure cow dungs from cattle owners? That is Chhattisgarh. When is the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking observed? June 26. Who has launched a behavior change campaign named Navi Navigating the new normal? Niti Ayog. Which country will host FIFA Women's World Cup 2023? That is Australia and New Zealand. Which country has hosted FIFA Women's World Cup 2019? That is France. Which nation has passed a bill to sanction China over Hong Kong security law? That is US. Which nation's space cooperation? Which nation's space corporation is planning to take the first tourist on spacewalk in 2023? That is Russia. Which state has planned to launch India's first plasma bank for COVID-19? That is Delhi. Which state has launched Project Platina, world's largest con- con- convalescent plasma therapy trial? That is Maharashtra. Who among the following has been given the traditional additional charge of Governor of Madhya Pradesh? That is Anandiben Patel. Maharashtra has extended lockdown till when? July 31st. Which state has decided to form a special security force to ensure industrial security? That is Uttar Pradesh. Which nation's president has signed an order to protect its monuments and memorials? That is United States. The center has increased the budget of which state or union territories by 4 times? That is Ladakh. Which nations which nation's stock exchange building come under an armed attack on June 29? That is Pakistan. The center has announced extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana till which month? That is November 2020. Which nation has passed a controversial national security law? That is China. Separatist Kashmiri leaders Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani has quit which political front? That is Hurriyat Conference. Iran has issued an arrest warrant for which among the following world leaders? That is Donald Trump. Scientific and Engineering Research Board, that is SCRB, has launched an Accelerate YJEC scheme under Abhyas. Sorry. Scientific and Engineering Research Board has launched the Accelerate Vigyan scheme under Abhyas. Which South Asian nation has placed its bid for 2027 Asian Cup? That is India. When is the last date for submitting nomination for Padam Awards 2021? That is September 15. I repeat, when is the last date for submitting nomination for Padam Awards 2021? That is September 15. Which nation's Prime Minister has launched a mega billion 10 years defense plan? That is Australia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has removed his account from which microblogging website? That is Weibo. When did the new stamp duty rules come into effect? That is July 1st. Which nation held a referendum to get public opinion on its new constitutional amendment? That is Russia. World Bank has approved how much loan for rejuvenation for the Ganga river under Namami Gange program? That is 400 million. Which state has decided to launch a project to provide employment to expats who lost their job due to COVID-19? That is Kerala. Indramani Pandey has been appointed as the permanent member of India in the United Nations. Geneva. He is a 1990 batch Indian foreign officer and will succeed Rajiv K. Chander on position. The foreign exchange reserve of India is the fifth largest in the world at more than 500 billion. The first four forex reserves on the list are China, Japan, Switzerland, and Russia. As per the report released by IMF, International Monetary Fund, the foreign exchange reserves of India are almost equal to one fifth of its GDP. The ISRO's Mars Orbit mission, that is MOM, has captured the image of Phobos, the largest and closest moon of Mars. The image was captured by Mars Color Camera, that is MCC, aboard MOM on July 1st, 2020, when the Mars orbiter was around 72 7,200 km away from Mars and 4,200 km from Phobos. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa launched Weber's Samman Yojana on July 6, 2020. Under the scheme, state government will provide annual financial assistance of worth 2,000 to around 19,744 handloom weavers in the state, and it will be DBT, that is direct benefit transfer. President of Indian Olympic Association Dr. Narinder Dhuru Batra. The spy satellite OFAC 16 is an Israeli spy satellite. Legendary Italian music composer Ennio Morricone passed away on July 6th. He won his first competition Oscar in which year? That is 2016. Which Indian cricketer has come under the conflict of interest scanner? That is Virat Kohli. Which state has become the first one with LPG connection in all households? That is Himachal Pradesh. Which state's cabinet has approved a draft ordinance seeking 75% reservation for the local youth in private organizations? That is Haryana. India has signed an agreement worth 75 million with which international organization for MSME emergency response program? That is World Bank. The Hang Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary will soon get national park status. It is located in Assam. Which among the following state government has launched a job portal for the recruitment of skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled workers? That is Maharashtra. Injeti Srinivasan has been appointed as the chairman of which authority? IFSCA. The registration for the human trial of Indian indigenous COVID-19 vaccine begin from which date? That is July 7th. Hand sanitizer and face masks are no longer essential commodities under the Essential Commodities Act 1995 as their supply is sufficient in the country. India has ranked 34th globally in Jones Lang Lascelles Biennial Global Real Estate Transparency Index, that is GRET. Which nation has dropped the 2011 World Cup final fixing prop due to lack of evidence? That is Sri Lanka. Myanmar and Sri Lanka have eliminated which disease ahead of 2023 target? That is rubella. ब्लूइस क्या है? भुवनेश्वर लैंड यूज इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम इज अ वेब एंड मोबाइल बेस्ड solution which will help in monitoring of government land in भुवनेश्वर दैट इज उड़ीसा। एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि ब्लूइस क्या है? The four bridges in the Aknoor sector and two bridges in Jammu Rajpura area have been unveiled by Defence Minister who dedicated the bridge to all the countrymen and local people. Operated Operation Setu by Indian Navy lasted over 55 days, which involved traversing more than 23,000 kilometers. The Construction Company Development Council has initiated a skill development program in which Union territories, that is Andaman and Nicobar, which among the following app has not been banned by Indian Army, that is Twitter. Nepal's cable TV operators have switched off signals for all Indian news channels except दूरदर्शन। क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि जो नेपाल की जो टीवी केबल ऑपरेटर हैं उन्होंने कौन से चैनल को बंद नहीं किया है? तो दूरदर्शन है। द अमेजोनिया 1 सैटेलाइट विच PSLV will help in monitoring and observing the deforestation of the Amazon region. The satellite will be launched by ISRO for Brazil. The researchers found proof of the existence of a naturally functioning Alzheimer's suppressors gene, that is BACE2 gene. It was acting as a similar way to tumor suppression. Which aerospace company delivered the final 5 of 22 Apache attack helicopters to IF recently? That is Boeing. Which Arab nation will become the first one to launch a Mars probe on July 15? That is UAE. Which nation will host the next edition of Asia Cup Cricket? That is Sri Lanka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Asia's largest solar planet in which state? In which Indian state? That is Madhya Pradesh. रेवा सेक्टर 75 मेगावाट का था। Parag Chitnis was named associate director for program earlier this year in US agriculture firm. India's 2018 tiger census sets Guinness world record for being world's largest camera trap wildlife survey. The Permanent Court for Arbitration of The Hague, Netherlands, had ruled in 2016 that China has no historic rights over the waters of South China Sea. Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa has been appointed as the Vice president of ADB, that is Asian Development Bank. Which among the following tech giants has announced the US 10 million worth investment in India, that is Google? Which nation allowed commercial farming of endangered species in 2020, that is Myanmar? The government is planning to increase public health expenditure to how much percent of the total GDP by 2025, that is 2.5%. Who narrowly beat his opponent to retain his post as Poland's president, that is Andrzej Duda? Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa has been appointed as Vice President of ADB. The DRDO has developed P7 heavy drop system that is capable of para-dropping military stores up to 7 ton from IL-76 aircraft. Which among the following companies have announced 33,737 crore investment in Reliance Jio, that is Google? Who has been appointed as interim BCCI CEO? Hemang Amin. Which country has launched its telecom companies from sourcing 5G equipment from Hawaii, that is United Kingdom? What is Geo Glass? It is headset. India held a summit with which bloc on July 15, that is European Union? When was World Youth Skill Day observed, that is 15th July? Which social media page of the world's top business magnates and politicians got hacked on July 15, 2020, that is Twitter? Google has been receiving back backlash for allegedly deleting which nations from Google Map, that is Palestine? Which state has imposed a complete lockdown till July 31st, that is Bihar? India recently opened a new trade route with which nation, that is Bhutan? Indian Election Commissioner has been named as new Vice President of, ये तो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. Which nation has decided to create a bilateral air bubbles mechanism to resume international air travel, that is India? Indian Railway aim to be fully electrified in how many years, that is in next 3.5 years? Which nation has denied claims of dropping India from Chabhar Jehdan railway project, that is Iran? थैंक यू गाइस. ये जून और जुलाई का हो गया है. नेक्स्ट अगस्त और सितंबर का 1-2 दिन में हम लोग अपलोड कर देंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.